them. It's gonna screw stuff up. Wait, no. No, what the fuck am I doing? I need those. Yeah, I guess other people were able to get it too. But, I don't know. They had mine pending for like way too long. I'd imagine they're like, this guy is only like some scrub out of his basement. I'm not gonna approve his stupid ass posts. Too good for this. Who is this ambientenergy101 if that's his real fake name? And why does he want emote when he's Scrub Lord? Alright, so let's boot that up. We should now be able to do our wall jump crap and see it play. The only thing that might be a little weird with this wall jump thing is the direction preservation. Because I know we cancel out of jump intro animations when we switch directions, and if you like hold toward the wall it might work, and if you hold away from the wall it might not work. So I gotta double check the things. Yeah, all the walls of upset are true. So let's see, I need to go to gameplay, player logic, object. Well, it looks like it's working. Even though I changed some can jump. Let's just see. Can jump BP find in all blueprints. No results. Okay, so it's not found anywhere. Excellent. So if we run this, what does it look like? Your bracken sacked out? Alright, so I need to see in the movement if the in-air intro is running. You're natural. So it doesn't look like the wall jump is getting set to true. So can jump. So wall jump is true. And so wall jump. Okay, so the issue is that our edge conditions for being in the air are wrong. Um, we need to play an intro animation when we just... Man, alright, so this is interesting. So we are already in the in-air state, and we just did a wall jump. So what we need to do is, inside of our in-air state, basically, if playing intro anim is false, equals -1, get direction, and get animation by name, play with duration and loop. So what we need to do here actually is if we jumped this frame and jump was a wall jump, then we need to play the... Yeah, okay, so this playing intro animation equals -1 equals true. Let's see. Alright, so this is going to be if this is... That means that we are not playing the animation. So we're going to be off of this line. Okay. Can't wait for new netcode? You mean the ping stuff? Yeah, it's not going to be in this update, unfortunately. Well, we'll get there. Yeah, and that's actually pretty encouraging. You know, there are people who... All right, if we did jump this frame, and let's see, we're gonna do the jumpless wall jump. Let's just get it basically in there. We don't need to do everything. Let's just do an and here. Then what we want to do is get intro anim and okay, yeah. I guess, yeah, this is gonna get a little messy. Can't wait for it? Alright. I think you're in the same boat as a lot of people. So if we're not playing an intro animation, we're going to see if we can. If we can't, then we are going to play our regularly scheduled animation. Otherwise, we have to do all the rest of this. So this animation name and duration, we're going to need some local variables. So let's do intro anim name and intro anim duration. This will be a string, and this will be a float. And this whole function gobbledygook here is kind of not the best in the world. And by kind of not the best in the world, I mean it's really not very good. But whatever. So let's try to. I mean, just look at all these fucking lines everywhere. It's just a madhouse, isn't it? Okay, so we basically want to go, if it's true here, we're going to go way over here and play an intro. And we'll see if that works. Nah, I was just coughing because I got a tickle in my throat. Good visual tool? I'd say it's okay. Where is initial direction set? Initial direction? Alright, we'll have to snag that once more over here. Okay, so we need to make it so he doesn't play that animation if he's facing away from the wall. So how do we do that? Basically, we want to see if he's in. Yeah, we have to do another movement in wall jump position, and then if in wall jump position is true, then we're going to want to call set direction, and we're going to want to set it to this. So let's see if that does it. And this is turning into awfulness. Your fingers are numb from sprinting too much. Well, if you want to, there is a setting in the controls if you want to have always dash to true. And that'll mean that if you hold down the dash button, instead of dashing, it will make you walk. So it might help you out. I don't like it that way. This is called an on-post update. So, maybe if our direction matches our... If this is true, set direction to direction. It's going to be if... Yeah, that's true. We need to see if we are facing towards the wall. If we are facing towards the wall, we need to just face away from the wall. I mean, but this should do that. This should set our direction to this way. So why don't we just see what it does? We're going to set our direction to right. If jump this frame, should not be true. Yeah, I need to branch off of this. Alright, so this is going to be intro anim duration is greater than 0. This branch statement here needs to be somewhere else. Yeah, it needs to be right here. Alright, let's see if that works. Yeah, I tried setting up the keyboard controls using like the actual default keyboard controls now are totally different. They use WASD and all that. Alright, maybe we already have some of this set properly. Alright, so we got jump this frame. And I think we need to have wall jump direction. Let me think. Yeah, we're gonna need an out direction. Alright. So wall jump direction, everything like that. So the other thing is jump, can jump. This can jump needs an out direction. God. You gotta switch the order on these things. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, Adam's internet fell off the planet again. Well, he's on Discord at least, so his internet's not completely destroyed. So you never know. So I'm almost done. I think this will be pretty much the last thing today. Uninitialized local variable outdir used. Thank you for the warning, Visual Studio. That was actually helpful. Oh, he'll be back in about 10 minutes. That's cool. Well, hopefully I'll have this done, so he can start off his post-food stream with a cool wall jump animation thing that he might want to go customize. I mean, things like double jump and triple jump and all those other things are going to need custom hookups anyway, so I'm really not going to worry about them in setting up this movement stuff. So I just want to grab the wall jump direction and just set our direction to that. And if our direction doesn't match it, then we'll stop playing. Oh, spoilers, we're gonna have new abilities that do crazy bullshit, like triple jumps. It's totally gonna be in there at some point. So, don't you worry. Alright, so we're gonna get wall jump direction. Alright, so intro anim and all those other things will be set. Yeah, The Chaos Dunk. I totally want like some overpowered Chaos Dunk ability at some point. Something that's just absolutely stupid. You're just like, are you fucking for real? God damn it. And here we actually want the opposite. This is ugly as all shit, but I could care at the moment. just everything is fine. Ignore how stupid that looks and how awful it actually is. Yeah, that's right. It's playing for a single frame. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I think we're gonna get our movement, get direction. If get direction does not equal initial direction, then we're gonna go there. Otherwise, let's do that thing. Is our code wrong? Did we get our wall jump direction? Can jump. Wall jump is true. Out direction. We're not even setting our out direction, are we? Alright, so we cast to the left. So our wall direction should be to the right. Yeah, we should be facing out to the right. Let's just fix all the stupid little things, which will leave all the big things that we can't fix. You see, you know what the problem is with baked potatoes is when you're hungry, you want to eat one, but it's gonna take too long to cook. It's one of like life's really, really awful things. Because I got a sack of potatoes, and I'd like to eat like a baked potato, but it's gonna take like 3 damned hours until the damn thing's done. So, and that's too long. I won't be hungry then because I'll have already eaten because that's just how it works. Settle for fruit bread. Just like fuck it, I'm gonna eat the eat bread. Okay, so now I think he's only playing the wrong anims. Yeah. Because I had it backwards. I had it fucking backwards. Yeah, that's how we do it. Awesome. That looks cool. I think I'm done. I think that's it. I think that was our last thing. So let me just make sure I got all that in. That we got all that saved. I think Adam's back streaming too, so why don't I just double check? So wall slide and jump and swoop up. Alright, so let's go over to Adam's stream. See what he's up to. He's not on yet.
Also played and sliding up. Perfect. Perfect. I do that sliding effect I think has some left and right movement on it, but I can make it omnidirectional. So it will require a build. That means I'm going to
So I'll just be waiting for him to do a build here and verifying that everything works, and then I'll be done, I believe.
Oh, your sub ambience.
Yeah.
Excellent. It looks fine to you? Okay. Man, I am so full of footage. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. That food is amazing. Got a bit of a headache now, so lucky I've got coffee right next to me. So, project files, then we're going to have to go to here again.
There's your problem.
Before I go to bed tonight, ambient energy, should I rebuild just the engine, right? Do a full rebuild of the engine, and I won't have to do a full rebuild of the things. Hello, Firewing. How are you tonight? Things are going alright. Hi, Scorpion.
The purge command won't work for you on the forums. Really? Who are you trying to purge? Because it should work.
Fantastic. Well, obviously, because that sub badge on your name says so. You are fantastic.
Basically, the purge command won't. Does it just not work?
How you doing?
But and the button shows up, or does the button just not show up? Because if the button's not showing up, that's probably because the person you're trying to purge is too high rank in their reputation. So it won't let you do it.
Wait. 35 viewers. We've been up for 5 minutes, and there's already one clip. Is that right, or is that last stream's stats? You're the only non-sub in the chat. It's all good, Bigsy. It's all good.
Just the latest spam account. Can you link it to me? Just send me PM or just throw it in chat there. It doesn't matter. And I'll see if it works for me. You are not allowed, Paige. Alright, well that kind of sucks.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you very much.
Jeff dropping all the sub bombs on everybody.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to mute this fool.
Let's do a... Wait. Welcome to the Dashkin Elite.
Oh god.
Bigsy.
I'll just mute that for a second. 'Cause it's too much. You couldn't resist. Yeah, it's true. That's fine, Jeff. Supporting all the people, dropping all those hot subs and shit. Yeah, I don't see any spam on the forums on the latest activity. Like, there's no, like, the only latest thing was somebody posting about the Steam controller. And that guy is legit.
I know, right? Jeff just throwing the subs around. Excellent, Jeff. We love you, Jeff. That's your third sub gift today, right?
I think I'll mute Adam then. There's a bunch of fake accounts. Just like fake accounts that just got made, or what do you? Oh, so it's just. Yeah, I rage quit when he. Yeah, that's one of the things. Adam repeats the same fucking thing like 4 times over. Be like, yeah, we know. We got it. Alright, so I think that's pretty much done. What form package is it? Yeah, it's mybb is the form package stuff. I mean, we got the reCAPTCHA crap on there, but you know that can be broken and all that. So that's just how it is. Um, I mean, I guess I could go through and take a look at them. It's all the people that have like a 1, 2, 3 in their name and all that crap on there. So there's probably, yeah, a whole hell of a lot of spam accounts, aren't there? And the idea would be that we should probably go through and delete the spam accounts before they actually start spamming. Because I would have guessed they made a whole bunch of accounts and then all that. I think it's good enough for now, though. Like, I'm not going to worry too much about all the spam stuff. Cut them all down. There was something that should have replaced reCAPTCHA. Well, there's the Google CAPTCHA reCAPTCHA stuff. Like, it's pretty complicated. I even tried to make an account. And it was a real pain in the ass going through, you know, clicking on pictures of cars and tons of stupid crap that he's trying to horn jump. You can't horn jump anymore. You can't do it. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for my stream here today. Till they perfect no CAPTCHA. I don't know. Really, I just think it's a human solution issue, and that's all we can do. So, and we even have it so it's checking against like known usernames for bots and known IPs for bots and known everything for bots. It's fucking ridiculous. And I think the only way we're going to be able to keep the forums working is if we just have we just check back, delete the spam, and the only other way would be to have like some sort of sign up system where people literally like have to go through, like, your account doesn't get verified until, it's all there. Anyway, thanks for joining me and having a good time and being people that give a shit about the project. So have a good one, and go. We're gonna raid Adam's channel with everybody who's in here, who's probably also already in Adam's channel. The new ones are just one or two per day. Yeah, they're pretty short. So yeah, you too, Jeff. Have a good one. I'm gonna go eat food and chill out, and then I'll get back to work tomorrow to finish off the update. So goodbye.